Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you this vibrant and creative paper flower design. Look at this, it's colorful, intricate, and surprisingly simple to make. If you're a fan of DIY crafts or love adding handmade decorations to your home or workspace, this is the perfect project for you. To begin, this flower uses basic supplies like colored paper, scissors, and glue. I chose bright shades of pink, yellow, green, and white to give it a lively and cheerful appearance. The design involves creating cone-shaped petals and layering them carefully to form this beautiful flower. In the center, a delicate rolled paper spiral completes the look, adding that touch of elegance. This craft is versatile. You can use it as wall decor, a centerpiece, or even as part of festive decorations. It's a great activity for kids and adults alike, combining fun with creativity. Plus, handmade crafts like these are budget-friendly, eco-friendly, and truly special because they reflect your effort and imagination. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to make this stunning flower, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, or follow my channel so you don't miss any updates. I'd love to see your creations too. So feel free to share your versions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and let's keep creating beautiful things together. See you in the next video.